Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for attending my presentation. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm May Ahyanti and my partner is Prayudi Yusananta and Sari Pusman. We are from Tanjung Karang Health Polytechnic. On this occasion, we will explain about potential of some plants as bioinsecticides of the housefly Musca domestica. Introduction: diarrhea is still a health threat because it causes illness and death, especially in toddlers. Diarrhea will increase due to consuming food contaminated with microorganisms, including through the intermediary of flies. The use of chemical pesticides can impact vector-resistant, non-target insect and health problems. The study aimed to evaluate plant effective as bioinsecticide to control housefly, Musca domestica. Method: the study used a completely randomized design factorial. Houseflies from residential area are rearing in two stages. Three types of plant leaves, Vera bilimbi, Catharanthus roseus, and Nana muricata, were extracted, and their effectiveness was tested through a bioassay test. The experiment was carried out in two replications at various doses, 25, 30, 35, and 40%, and contact time 15, 30, and 60 minutes. Plant raw materials are obtained from hedge garden in the neighborhood where the people of Bandar City live. The extraction was carried out in the Agricultural Product Technology Laboratory and of the Lampung State Agricultural Polytechnic. Result: the content of the active ingredient in the leaf of the Vera bilimbi, Catharanthus roseus, and Annona muricata plants was examined by gas chromatography, mass spectroscopy, GCMS, spectrophotometry, and TLC scanner. From Table 1, it can be explained that the active ingredient identified in three types of plant are saponin, flavonoid, and nails. Annona muricata leaves contain the highest active ingredients, namely saponin 96%, flavonoid 47%, and nails 100%. Vera bilimbi leaves contain 85% saponin, 4% flavonoid, and nails and 100 nails. Catharanthus roseus leaves contain 77% saponins, 30% flavonoid, and 44% nails. Figure 1 shows the highest fly mortality occurred after the flies were exposed to Annona muricata leaves extract through a bioassay test, 97.25%. The mortality of flies after exposure to Catharanthus roseus leaves was 86.75%, and the lowest mortality was in the treatment using a Vera bilimbi leaf extract, 67.25%. In Figure 2, Higgs saponin content is not followed by high for fly mortality. However, the higher the flavonoid content in the plant exposed, the higher the fly mortality. The result of the statistical analysis obtained that the concentration and time each had an effect on fly mortality. There was no combined effect of concentration and time in killing flies. Concentration has an effect of 83.53% and time of 10.94%. Discussion. The study found that the mortality of horseflies on exposure to a variabilimbil leaf extract 67.24%, Catharanthus roseus 86.75%, and Annona muricata 97.25%. The treatment showed a significant effect on mortality p-value less than 0.05, with the highest level of effectiveness at a dose of 25% for 5 minutes. Flavonoids are believed to be the compound responsible for the death of flies. The flavonoid compound inhaled by the flies work as an antivedant, which inhibits the work of TH receptor in the mouth area, which will then cause the fly to fail to stimulate test. As a result, flies cannot recognize the food around them. The activities of eating flies is low and cause the energy for the development of flies to be reduced and and the growth process is also hampered. Flavonoids also work poison and respiratory poison. When flavonoids are absorbed, flies experience an increase in biological function, including protein synthesis, cell differentiation, and proliferation and angiogenesis. Flavonoids are inhaled in excess, causing mutagen and inhibiting certain enzymes in the work of hormones metabolism and energy metabolism. Of course, this also affects insects, where flavonoids will damage the permeability of cells walls and inhibit the work of enzymes that affect the metabolic process in insect. Conclusion: the study found that the most effective type of plants used for fly control was Annona muricata leaf. The content of flavonoids is Annona muricata leaves has a dominant effect on the death of flies. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.